You've probably heard the phrase curb appeal before, but what does it actually mean for the sale of your home? Buyers decide how they feel about your home even before they step inside. And that first impression, it sets the tone for the entire showing. It could be the difference between a buyer walking in excited or already looking for flaws. A strong first impression can boost your home's perceived value and lead to faster and higher offers. Hi, I'm Karen with Blue Lakes Real Estate Group, powered by Key Realty. We help sellers in Traverse City prep their homes to stand out without wasting time or money on things that don't really matter. Before we dive into some practical steps to increase curb appeal, it's important to know why it matters. We've watched it happen at countless showings. Buyers light up when the exterior looks clean, intentional, and well cared for. That emotional response sets the tone. Buyers feel more confident, more curious, and more open. In a competitive market like Traverse City, these details matter. If you're unsure of where to start, we'll guide you step by step so that every improvement has purpose and payoff. Start with the basics. Make sure the driveway is clean, the landscaping is trimmed, and there aren't piles of leaves or overgrown bushes lingering in the corners. A quick power wash on the siding and a good window cleaning can instantly brighten things up and make everything feel more polished. Next, take a look at the entryway. This is where a few small updates can really shine. A freshly painted door stands out in all the right ways, especially if the color adds a pop of contrast. Make sure the porch light works, the house numbers are easy to read, and there's nothing broken or outdated greeting the buyers at the door. Even something as simple as clean welcome mat or a couple of planters with seasonal flowers can make the space feel warm and intentional. And don't forget the small stuff. Outdoor furniture should be wiped down, neatly arranged, because it helps buyers imagine themselves enjoying that space, whether it's sipping coffee on the porch or relaxing in the backyard. One of the best tips that we give sellers is to literally step across the street and look at the house from the buyer's perspective. That outside viewpoint helps you notice things you've gotten used to, and it's often the fastest way to spot what needs attention. Even if the inside of your home is stunning, if the outside feels neglected, peeling paint, dim lighting, messy landscape, it can instantly raise red flags. But the good news, you don't need perfection, you just need polish. Focus on the first 15 feet from the curb to the front door. That's where the biggest impact happens. And it's often where buyers decide how they feel about the rest of your home. Curb appeal isn't just nice to have, it's one of the easiest ways to boost your home's value and to stand out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're feeling overwhelmed and still not sure where to start, click the link below to book a quick call. We'll build a simple plan to help your home make a great first impression.